Have you ever seen that edit where everything suddenly freezes mid-action and you are like, wow, how did they do that? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can create the freeze frame effect on CapCut step by step. And trust me, once you master this, your edit will instantly look cinematic and professional. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create the freeze frame effect with just your phone and CapCut. So, if it's your first time visiting us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't have to miss any of our videos. And if you don't, you won't be seeing us anymore. For this tutorial, we're going to be needing your phone and the CapCut app. So, if you already have CapCut on your phone, go down and find it. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut because we're doing this right now. So, I will take it from here, continue from here. So, enter your CapCut app. Once you enter your CapCut app, you want to go and look for the video you're going to use the freeze frame effect for. But if you already have a pending project, like an existing project, you just want to learn this to go and apply to your video, go and find, you can learn and go and apply. But for this, we're going to be starting a new project. So let me select the clip I want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this clip over here. So once your clip is in your timeline, do well to choose a clip that is in motion, because the freeze frame usually looks beautiful when the video is on motion or it has action. So for this, you see this is actually there's action here. So let's work with this. So you want to look for the spot where you want to apply your freeze frame effect on. So let's say we want to put it over here. So once you find a place you want to apply your freeze frame effect on, you split. After splitting, then you want to look at this down button over here and look for the freeze frame button. So after scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you are going to see it and you see freeze. Once you hit the freeze, automatically CapCut creates a still image of that moment. So now you have gotten the freeze frame, you can either drag to as much as you want, any length of your choice, but it is usually 2 to 5 seconds, so it will give your audience enough time to feel the pause. But for this video, I'm going to be putting it at 3 seconds. That should be enough. 3 seconds. So this is where it gets interesting. You can now add text, sound effect, even transition to make it more beautiful. So let's do everything we just said right now. First of all, we want to add transition. For this video, I will advise anyone use the glitch effect so it can automatically portray what happened, because right now you freeze the frame. So what led to the freezing of that frame? Somebody will be like, it's glitch. In case you want to know more about glitch, I created a video about glitch. You can search on my profile and watch glitch, more about glitch, how to apply glitch effects in your video. So for this right now, I will say let's apply glitch so it will look nice. Wow. So over here is the glitch. You can select whatever type of glitch you want to use on the video. So for me, I will prefer to go with this one since it's giving one vibe. Let's take a look at it. Are you seeing that it is giving one vibe? So after the glitch comes in, maybe you want to pass a particular message here, you can use your text effect. Say okay, I'll be like, did you remember the topic? You can use this for your advert videos. So maybe after putting a clip, you can just apply the freeze frame and all of a sudden the audience will be like, what happened? I want to see more. Stuff like that. So all you have to do is just, you add your text, you design your text. I also created a video about text. If you want to watch it, don't forget to visit our profile, subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. And guess what? More videos are coming soon. So over text, you can just decide which font you like to use. Then if you want to style it, any color you want to use, you just leave it over there. So, and we are good. So want to leave it like this. Then you want to drag the text so it will be in the minimal of the glitch of the freeze frame, so it won't go across it. So you see something like this. Yes. Okay, look at what we got. Do you remember the topic? So the next will be like, this will give the viewers enough time to be like, what was even the topic? You understand? What was even the topic? So that's what this thing does. So now, after doing this, you want to add a sound effect to make it more astounding. So it won't be like, all of a sudden English, what happened? So this video also have a voice. Let me bring out the voice. So after applying the effect, we just see how everything goes on. So you want to go into your SFS, your sound effect. So for that, let's search on glitch. Since glitch was exactly what led to the pausing of the video, that's the freeze frame. You want to search for glitch, so it will be like it's a mistake or it's a system error. You understand? So you search for glitch, and after searching for glitch, you have different variety of songs. All you have to do is you have different varieties of effects here. All you have to do is select the best one for your video and you apply it. So let's scroll up again. You see that? I think I like this one. So once you select the one you like, you just tap on the plus button and it will apply to your video. So you can increase the volume of it. So look at what we got.
It's that time of the year and
are you seeing it? So let's say we want to apply text to speech. So the text to speech will cover that void part that don't have any sound. You understand? So let's select Andrew and we'll press OK. So look at what we'll get here. So after the transition takes place, the next thing is the voice. So
it's that time of the year and
did you remember the topic?
are you seeing that? And you can do so much things more to this video, but I don't want to bore you with. But take note, I have already taught you how you can apply the freeze frame effect. How you can apply the freeze frame, and trust me, you can also apply freeze frame to any part you want, whichever part you want. You can apply it as much as you want. All you have to do is tap on the clip, scroll all over this down button here. You select freeze. Are you saying freeze? You tap on freeze. It will create another segment. Scroll again. You tap on freeze, and you can freeze as much as you want. All depends on you. How do you want your edit to be like? Trust me, I'm teaching you how to edit like a professional because I have gone through training before. So if this video help you, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.